What is Second Nature AI? It provides a virtual pitch partner, like their flagship AI persona, Jenny, that uses conversational AI to have real voice-to-voice discussions with sales reps. 1.5. The goal isn't just to memorize a script, it's to build the muscle memory needed to handle objections, navigate discovery calls, and close complex deals in a risk-free environment. 1.2, 1.x. The simulated sales workflow. Immersive roleplay. Reps engage in a natural language conversation with an AI avatar that can change its mood, ask hardball questions, and pose realistic objections. 1 maze. The simulated sales workflow. Immersive roleplay. Reps engage in a natural language conversation with an AI avatar that can change its mood, ask hardball questions, and pose realistic objections. Was. Instant scoring. As soon as the session ends, the AI evaluates the rep based on clarity, pace, filler words, and whether they covered key talking points, 2 or. Actionable feedback. The rep receives specific tips on how to improve, allowing them to fail fast and learn in private before they ever talk to a real prospect. Through AI personas and avatars. You can choose from a library of personas or build your own. These avatars now feature realistic movement and expressions to mimic a true video call experience. 1x. Prompt to simulation. Admins can create a brand new roleplay scenario in minutes simply by typing a prompt or uploading a product PPT recording. Manst 413. Multi-stakeholder rooms. In 2026, Second Nature supports simulations with multiple AI stakeholders in a single room, reflecting the reality of modern committee-based buying. 1x. Gamification and certifications. Managers can set up leaderboards and automated certification paths to ensure every rep is certified on a new product before launch. 1.3. The impact. Why brands are choosing AI coaching. The data from 2025-2026 shows that AI-driven coaching is no longer a luxury. It's a competitive necessity for large organizations. Proven results. 30% reduction in ramp time. Companies like SAP and Adobe have used Second Nature to get new hires revenue ready significantly faster than traditional methods. 1.4. 7x more practice. Because reps can practice 24/7 without needing a manager, the actual hours spent perfecting the pitch increase 7-fold. 164.2. Consistent messaging. Whether your rep is in New York or Dubai, they are all training against the same standardized best practices. 1.32. Pricing and enterprise availability. Second Nature is built for scale, particularly for companies with over 50 reps. Enterprise integration. It offers seamless integration with Salesforce, HubSpot, and major learning management systems, LMS, like Workday or Adobe Learning Manager. 11631. Estimated cost. While custom quotes are the norm, industry estimates place the platform at roughly $30-40 per user per month for large-scale deployments. 1 point. For smaller teams, yearly packages can range from $5,000 to $20,000 depending on the depth of features. 2.41. The verdict, is it worth it? If your sales managers are spending 80% of their time manually reviewing call recordings, Second Nature AI is a game changer. It automates the boring part of coaching, the repetition and basic feedback, allowing managers to focus on high-level strategy. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and get notified for daily updates.